Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to work on lesson 89, and we're going to talk about a digraph, AW. So first, what I want you to do is echo these words for me. Claw, jaw, paw. Let's do it again. Claw, jaw, paw. What sound do you hear in all of these words? Can you tell me that? Kind of sounds like a U sound, doesn't it? Okay, so we're going to look at these words and see what is making the sound. So if you will look at the pink words on the board, what is making the all sound? It is A and W. What do you think AW is? It is a digraph. That's right. AW is a digraph. It makes the same sound as digraph AU. How do we code digraphs? We code them by underlining them. Okay? All right, so what we're going to do is use these in a sentence. Can you think of a sentence to put them in? Claw. The claw or claws with an S on the bird was huge. Jaw. I hurt my jaw when I was chewing gum. Paw. The dog's paw was injured. Okay, so you have that all sound. Sometimes digraph AW is hard to spell because it makes that same sound as AU, but it also has that sort of a short O sound. So we need to make sure that we remember which words have AW. All right, so now I want you to look at the sentence over here that has been written. It says, a sharp squawk came from the boathouse. We're going to code this sentence. There's a few that will apply to the rule that we just talked about, AW, digraph AW. But we're going to code this sentence. So what I'd like for you to do is write it down. And then we're going to, I'm going to let you work ahead of me. I'm going to pause a minute. You pause the video and see if you can do it the same way I do. Okay, let's see how you did. See if you matched me. Okay, I've already put a schwa over the A to make a sound. Our next word is sharp. So we have digraph SH. We have combination AR. Next, we have squawk. We have combination QU. We have digraph AW. Came. We need a K back on the C. It's a long A sound, and we do not hear the E. Okay? Let me get rid of this little accent mark there. It's not really supposed to be there. Next, from. From is a sight word, so we're going to circle it. The. We have digraph TH. We're going to mark through it because it is voiced. We have put your schwa there. Boat. We have digraph OA, vowel digraph. We hear the O, not the A. And it's boat house. So we're going to do a division line because that is a compound word. We have combination OU, and we do not hear the E. Okay. Let's look at our worksheet AW, digraph AW. Make sure you're turned to the same side that I'm on. All right, if you will repeat after me, hawk, shawl, board, sauce, action, crisis. Okay, let's code these words and match them up to the pictures before we start our story. Okay, first word, we have hawk. So we want to underline digraph. We have shawl. We have two digraphs there. Board. We have a digraph. We're going to long O. Do not hear the A. Sauce. Cross out. Action. We have a short A. We have a K sound. And we need a bracket because we have a final stable syllable. Crisis. We have a K back. we have a long I sound. It's 2 syllables. Sorry, I went through the S a little bit. We have a V, C, V combination there, or pattern, and a short I sound. Okay? Let's look at the pictures real quick. The arrow is pointing to a shawl. Okay? And then the last picture is hawk. Let's read our story together. Read with me as I read out loud. We must follow the laws when we drive, or we might get tickets or even get sent to jail. We should drive at the correct speed. We should turn on our blinkers to let people who drive behind us know when we are planning to turn. Question number 7. What should we follow when we drive? It says here we must follow the law. Number 8. What would happen or what could happen if we don't follow the law? There were several things. It said we might get a ticket or even get sent to jail. So you could write both or one. I'm going to put we might get a ticket. We might get a ticket. All right, last one. We can go to jail if we follow the laws. We shouldn't. Let's hope not. So no would be your answer. Okay, Miss Bragg is done. Flip the paper over, work on it by yourself. Have a great day.